Hi, and welcome to Sunday School Made Easy with me, Rosaline Naidu. Today we'll be doing how to make tear out page embellishments. So if you like this type of video, then keep on watching. If you like the content on our channel, then consider subscribing. And just a disclaimer, this idea is not my own. There are a lot of YouTubers that are doing similar videos. So just to let you know. So let's keep going.
Is some sort of paper, so you can use the calendar or anything that's a hardstock paper, and it does a really nice effect for that one. The first thing we're going to do is just take one piece of picture and we're going to start kind of ripping it. So kind of look at what we want, and I think I would go for this one. So what you want to do is when you're ripping this, you want to rip it towards you, all right, to give that 2D effect. Now we're just going to clean that up. The good thing about this is you don't need scissors and perfection to do it. You can kind of just, eyeball it. So I am going to use my piece of paper that I already cut out here with the beautiful tree on it, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball this. Now they're a little bit bigger piece than what I probably would need. So now, as you can see, I got a piece. So at this point you probably want to glue this and just give that a moment to dry. Now I'm just gonna work on tearing it again. I'm gonna tear it towards me. So there you have the piece, and just for reference, so yeah, it's pretty close to what we have here. So it's about the same size, so we're good there.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Sunday School Made Easy with me, Rosaline, so you don't miss out on any of our content. Follow us on our social media handles. The links are down below in the description box. Well, until we meet again next time, take it easy.